Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Juntone translucent matte finish magnet ring MagSafe compatible iPhone 14 Pro Max case. Yeah, you heard all that right. This case does so much. You can see you've got little instructions in there. It supports wireless charging, horizontal or vertical stand, multi-angle adjustment. It is also MagSafe compatible and can be used for so many different things. It's just a really awesome case. So let's just get it out of the packaging so that you can see it. And here it is, translucent matte finish. So it's not going to show any fingerprints. It has 10-foot military drop protection. But here's the star of the show, this cool ring, which is a magnetic ring. It's MagSafe compatible, so to work with MagSafe devices. It is also magnetic itself, so you can stick this to metal surfaces, any metal surface, and it'll stick and hold. And then, check this out, boom, it's also a stand, but it rotates. So you can have it stand any way you want it to stand, any angle you want it to be at. So that's so cool, super, super cool. So let's get this on my phone, and then we'll take a closer look at it. Set my phone in there. Goes on nice and easy, and we're good to go. Now you can see you get full protection for your cameras. You get that raised lip on the front. You get your cool, nice button, slightly raised buttons, easy to work those, and you've got your perfect cutout for your vibrate button, as well as on the bottom for your lightning port and your speakers. All the cutouts, nice button cover, all great. Slightly thicker corners to protect against drops. Nice translucent matte finish. So all of that is excellent, which you would expect in any great case. But then you get this really cool MagSafe compatible ring. Now it's MagSafe compatible, so it'll work on any devices. For example, if you put this on a car, in your car, it's going to hold. You can see it's not going to come off no matter how much your car shakes. If you have really bad roads and really bumpy car, it's going to hold without any problem at all. And so you've got a strong magnet for that. But also this ring is magnetic itself, and so it can be used to stick onto a metal surface such as a microwave. If you were doing recipes, you can stick it on a microwave, or a refrigerator that's magnetic, or a cabinet at work. If that's, just basically you have this extra way to stick this on stuff because it is magnetic. So that's cool. And then on top of that, you've got this really cool stand or ring holder. So if you're holding your phone, you can put your finger in there, or fingers, to hold that. Let's see, you can just stick your finger in there, and that way you don't have to worry about dropping your phone because you've got that little extra hold. So you can use it that way, but then you can also use it as a stand. Shift it to the top for one angle, shift it to the bottom for a different angle. You can also do it horizontally, and you can again shift it any way around. So whatever horizontal angle you want, you can get from it, and you can put it at different angles and it'll stick there. As you can see, it doesn't close too easily. It'll hold in place. So that's cool. And all that without, look at that, it's not any thicker. The magnet is just slightly tiny bit raised above the case, but hardly any at all, which is great. So no extra bulk, slides in and out of your pocket without any issues at all, but gives you that nice feature to have the built-in stand slash finger holder slash magnetic ring, and fully MagSafe compatible. So you throw this on a MagSafe charger, you're going to get be able to charge MagSafe charging through that without any issues at all. And a beautiful looking case, that translucent matte finish that doesn't show fingerprints, which is great, and nice protection all the way around. So just a really excellent case, again from Juntone. And if you're looking for a case that has it all, a case that does everything you could possibly want a case to do, then this case from Juntone is definitely one I would recommend. That's going to be it for this video. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested, you can share the video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.